To some other news now. A glowing tribute this afternoon at the funeral service for veteran People's National Party PNP politician Dean Alexander Peart. It was held in Mandeville, Manchester, where he served as Member of Parliament for 22 years from 1989.
He left politics with clean hands and his party's standard flying proud.
I experienced in awe how such a person who stands on truth lasts such a long time in a game of hypocrisy.
And for that, People's National Party PNP Member of Parliament Damien Crawford memorialized the veteran politician Dean Peart as having epitomized all the values on which the party was built.
You will not find Dean Peart giving you a one-off contribution. It would have been almost a monthly commitment. I can imagine how much resources he must have contributed to individuals he only met.
In reflecting on learning to drive a standard motor vehicle, Dr. Simone Peart Boyce noted that her father was just as tolerant and loving with his family as he was with everyone else.
Looking back, I realized Daddy wasn't just teaching me to drive. He was teaching me how to help someone learn. He taught me that people learn best when they're guided with patience, not made to feel bad about their mistakes.
In delivering former PNP President and Prime Minister P.J. Patterson's tribute, former Health Minister and MP John Jr. recalled Dean Peart's rise to representational politics. He stressed that his success and legacy have been built on a love of service to others.
He walked to the markets, sat with the farmers in their fields, stopped at the corners, entered the bars and sometimes the kitchens to listen and persuade. In 1986, he reclaimed his seat in the parish council, and his fellow councillors chose him to be the mayor of Mandeville in recognition of his triumphant leadership. In 1989, the people of northwestern Manchester voted for him to enter Gordon House.
In his Northwest Manchester constituency, Mr. Peart spearheaded the construction of 13 community centres.
Alongside basic schools, classrooms, roads, water infrastructure, playfields, and a scholarship fund that endures to this day. Those centres and spaces were never mere meeting places. They were instruments of empowerment, where children learned, where the sick were treated, where those who could not read were taught the skills.
Dean Peart served as Minister of Land and Environment, State Minister for Labour and Social Security, among others.
Prime Minister Portia Sims Miller sent him to a ministry she previously led. His tenure there has won the praise of incumbent ministers as one of the best ever to have led the Ministry of Local Government.
Personally, I'm better for having known him. The People's National Party is better for having had him. Manchester is better for his representation. And Jamaica is better for his life.
Dean Peart died on July 12, 2026 at 77 years old. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.